हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। जैसा कि हमने कहा था कि ट्यूसडे से आपको रेगुलर वीडियोस मिलेंगे आप चैनल पे। तो आइए बिना किसी देरी के वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। और अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। और अगर वीडियो पसंद है इसको लाइक करिए और ज़्यादा से शेयर करिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। एम्बर एंड एम्बर चैप्टर 7, द ओरिजिन ऑफ द कल्चर, इमर्जेंस ऑफ होमो, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, यूपीएससी ऑप्शन। लेट्स स्टार्ट। So here it is only summary of the early hominin tools. Describe early tools. That earliest identifiable stone tools found come from East Africa and date from about 2.5 million years ago, but reveal little information about culture. Among later tools from alluvial beds in Tanzania, flake tools predominant, but choppers are also common. These early stone tools are referred as old dawn. Now, early hominin lifestyles dating to about 2 million years ago, archaeologists find sites with concentrations of stone tools and animal bones. Archaeologists have shown that old stone tools can be used for slitting hits, dismembering animals, whittling wood, and cutting branches. Hominins were likely cutting up animals' carcasses shortly after 2 million years ago. Most sites in Olduvai appears to have been made from home bases and or food processing places. The presence of patterned stone tools and possible home bases suggests that early hominins had culture, a dynamic adaptive process of learned, shared, and integrated behaviors and ideas. The early Homo brain was almost one third larger than Australopithecine brain. Brain expansion may have required reduced maturity at birth and prolonged infant dependency, likely influencing cultural evolution. Now, trends in hominin evolution. Physical changes in early hominins that led to evolution of our genus Homo include the expansion. Second, Homo habilis and Homo rudolphinus from about 2.3 million years ago have larger brains and smaller faces and teeth than other contemporary and earlier hominins. Early Homo appears to have been used tools and scavengers or possibly hunted meat. The evolution of cultural behavior also seems to have played a role in physical changes. Homo erectus. Homo erectus emerged about 1.8 million years to 1.6 million years ago. It had a large brain capacity that Homo habilis and an essentially modern skeleton. What differentiates Homo erectus most from modern humans is the long, low skull with prominent broad ridges. Homo erectus was the first hominin species to be widely distributed in the Old World. Some scholars reserve Homo erectus for those populations living outside of Africa, call the African populations Homo ergaster. Another species of hominin lived at this time that Homo floresiensis, a miniature form of Homo erectus found only on island of Indonesia. As Homo erectus evolved, brain size increased, tooth and jaw size decreased, and tool use increased. Sexual dimorphism decreased, perhaps explained by pair bonding patterns. Homo erectus was able to adapt to new environments very quickly and without apparent physical changes, which suggests that the species' primary mechanisms of adaptation were cultural. Lower Paleolithic cultures. The stone tool traditions of Homo erectus are traditionally called Lower Paleolithic cultures. L- Lower Paleolithic tools and other cultural artifacts from about 1.6 million years to about 2 lakh years ago were probably produced by Homo erectus. The most well-known tool tradition is that period is called the Acheulean. Acheulean tools include small flake tools, but hand axes and large bifacial tools are characteristic. Evidence indicates that Homo erectus ate big game, but there is no definitive evidence that they hunted big game. Similarly, although Homo erectus possibly used fire to survive in colder areas, no direct evidence confirms that Homo erectus controlled fire. Now here are the differences about. Now the chapter is completed in a very short way. Only what you have to do, you have to just whatever I summary I told you from this book, you have to just learn as it is. You have to make on your notes. Don't need to read full chapter as it is. Okay, just read these notes summary as it is and make them in your copy as a notebook. Okay, so please subscribe our channel if you like our video, like, and if you need any improvement in this video, so comment on this, so next time we will improve this. Any for type of mistakes on any query you can get comment, and regarding any evidence, and if you want to need to talk to me, you can just follow our channel on Instagram to follow over, and please share as much as possible. Thank you so much.